Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. We are here in line for a PopMart grand opening to get a Labubu. It is currently 7:30ish in the morning. The line kind of technically starts at 7, what?
6:30.
Oh, 6:30 in the morning. I don't know what I said. But line technically starts at 7, and they give tickets around 9, I think. Or they give tickets at 7:15. They give tickets at 7:15. Store opens at 9. I'm pretty tired. I'm not used to waking up this early, so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. I might live stream some of it too. We'll see. If you guys don't already follow the Twitch, go follow it because I've been live streaming quite a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. It's currently 7:30. We just got our ticket. 85th in line. Not too bad. I wanted to be at least 90th, I guess, top 90. So we made it into the Fortnite lobby. Allergies are low-key kind of kicking my butt right now, but we got our ticket and I think we're about to start going in pretty soon. I fit check. We moved up in line. We have the hoodie from Hours. If you guys haven't seen the video, go check it out. Pretty good hoodie. We have sweats from Uniqlo Cause Collab. 9060 New Balances. I've been enjoying them quite a bit. And then we have the Cause tote bag from Uniqlo as well. But yeah, if you haven't seen the Hours video, go check it out. We're currently inside 85th in. We're gonna see what we can get. This is some of the stuff they have. Kind of cool stuff. This one's kind of cool. Demos. But gonna see what kind of exclusive stuff they have for today and then look at like the other retail stuff. We're back home from shopping. We have 2 Pokemon sets right here. It comes with 2 packs. I'm gonna open one of each from each set. So I'll do a Temporal Forces and then a Twilight Masquerade one. I think from this one I'm gonna do the Twilight Masquerade and then the other one the Temporal Forces. So we have our 2 erasers right here. They're pretty cool, pretty chunky. And then we have our 2 packs of Pokemon cards. We're gonna start with Temporal Forces and then do the Twilight Masquerade one. We also got a decent amount from PopMart, but we'll show you guys that after I open these because I want to open these first. All right, Dark Energy. Cool little one. It's cool. Sableye, pretty cool. And oh, Latias, that's pretty cool. And okay, we got something, an EX. Pretty cool. All right, Twilight Masquerade. I think this is the one with Dragon Pult and some other cool cards. Let's see what we get. Fire Energy. Drippy. Mask. Can I see it? And Walk and Wake and Monkey. Pretty cool. We got one cool hit. And then we'll show you guys the other stuff that we got at PopMart. So here we have our haul from PopMart. We have Heronos, Macarons, and then we have this one right here. This was kind of what I originally wanted to get when I went. I didn't know the size of this thing, but it is pretty big. It is cool though. I really like the outfit on him. And we're gonna start off with, let's start with the Heronos and then go to these things because I know most of you guys, this is probably what you guys wanna see. But we'll do that one last. So we'll open this one. I don't know which one I'm hoping for here. The box is kind of cool on this. But I've seen the figurines, the collectibles, whatever you guys want to call them. And they all look pretty cool. I don't think I'm opening this right. Oh. Why do they have a rip tag? And this is a really bad rip. We got it open. A dinosaur just popped out at me. Okay. And it is... Okay, okay, he's cool. I'm not sure which one this is called. It is called... Staring? I think it's Staring. was about to say starving. Yeah, staring. And it comes with a little card. And then it comes with this mini dinosaur as well, which is pretty cool. So they come together. First one. I'm not gonna take the dinosaur out. I'll do that later. And then we'll do the same set. Let's try to open it a little better. We have the rip tag. Okay, this is not better. I thought I was gonna do better. All right, that's fine. I'm not collecting the boxes anyways. This one is, okay, he's like in a chicken costume or something. There's kind of a little mark on his chin. It's a little, actually kind of big, but he has a crown on. It looks pretty cool. Anything else? Did it come with anything else? Let's see the card. What is this one called? This one is called Cuckoo. Yeah, they're cool. Let's open the other set from this one. Herono. There was, I think, a one with a fox. The one with the fox mask. That was the kind of one I was going for. Did not get it. It's all good though. This one I'm hoping for maybe the clock one or the cabin or alien. I don't know. Looks like some pretty cool ones in there. Let's check it out. The box is different for this one. Just a normal rip tag. The bag's different as well. Pretty cool. Herono shelter. And he's like on a cone. What is the name of this one? Traffic cone. And it comes with a little photo on the back. And it also comes with a don't cross sign. Pretty cool. Let me know which one is your guys' favorite. Mine is probably either this one. I think this one's my favorite right here. Let me know which one your guys' favorite is. I think I might open this one for a YouTube short. So if you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe to see the YouTube short of this one. But we're gonna do the big box in this video. So let's just open it. My mom is gonna open this one and then she's gonna show us what she got. And I'll open this one. What are the ones you can get? Green grape. I want either soy milk or green grape. All right, first one. Lychee berry. We have lychee berry right here. Pretty cool. Which one did you get? What is this? Soy milk?
Soy milk.
This is soy milk. And then it comes with the card as well. Lychee berry card. And the soy milk card. All right, so I'm gonna be opening this one next. She's gonna open this one and then she's gonna show what she got. So we have soy milk and we have lychee berry. Sea salt, coconut, and green grape are still ones that I'm trying to see. This one is, what is this one? That's a card. Toffee. Toffee one, and then we have, what is that one called? Sea salt, coconut. All right, last two right here. So these are sesame bean and green grape. These are the last two that I haven't pulled yet. Or we can get lucky and get a secret rare. So let's see which is which. My guess is this one is green grape. This one is sesame bean. Let's find out. Or, yeah, this one is the secret rare. Green grape, secret rare. Okay, I was wrong. This one is sesame bean. I don't know why Sesame Bean kind of looking a little wonky. Why they got different poses or something like that? Because their heads are in different ways. But his leg is also like going inwards as well. So not sure what's going on with Sesame Bean. But let's see this last one. This is maybe the secret rare or green grape. Let's find out. Green grape. So this is all 6 right here. We have green grape, sesame bean, toffee, sea salt coconut, soy milk, and lychee berry. Let me know which one is your guys' favorite. We didn't pull a secret rare, but these are still pretty cool. I forgot to open this after this box, but we're gonna open this and see how it looks outside the box. This was the one that I was looking forward on getting, and I'm pretty excited to open it. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so it comes with a card right there. Pretty neat. Let's take it out. It just says the monsters fall in wind. And then it has the fallen wind on the back. It's kind of like cardboard. It's like the same material as the box. Let's actually stand up because this is a pretty big box. And here it is, the fallen wind monster right here. It has some ties on the back, so let's cut it out. We got the plastic off. Here it is. Oh, there's still the ties on it. Here's how it looks. Stands pretty well. You want to zoom in on it. Check out the drip on him. Looks pretty swagged out. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, these are the Labubus. Waited 4 hours to get them. Let me know what you guys think about them. Which one is your favorite? What set is your favorite? What set are you guys collecting? Drop it all down in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Pretty different than what I normally post. So we'll see what the next kind of content is. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video in the comments down below. But don't forget to hit that like button, smack that subscribe button as well. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to stay fresh.